Hi guys, I'm back from another video, and today they're going to be checking all of the birds in and outside of the cages. So as you can see, this is one of our green males and this female is there. They are two babies with, I think, 4 eggs left, so that's really good. As you can see, this is another couple of budgies, and they have nothing in there, so yeah. Now we're going to get onto the nest boxes outside of the cages. As you can see, this one has nothing in yet. This one has there's the babies there. I think their eggs that haven't hatched there. But these are the babies. As you can see, the females in there, I think they have babies. So, yeah. As you can see, this is one of the females. She has 3 eggs there. So yeah, that's really good. And in this nest, nothing lives in there. So as you can see, here are all the birds outside. So yeah. There's one of our canaries. There's one of our budgies, and that's a few zebra finches will hang out there. We've cleaned the cages as well, so yeah. Bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.